everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to type and format writing assignments for college classes. In this class, we'll be doing different types of assignments, so we might format it differently depending on what we're writing. But in this video, I'll show you in general what's expected from college professors many times when you do a writing assignment. And I'll show you two ways to do it. One using Google Docs and the other one using Microsoft Word. And you can use either one. Okay. If you want to use Google Docs, first go to google.com, and then I'm logged in, but to use Google Docs you do need to have a Gmail account. Okay, so you would log in to your Gmail account. And then after you're logged in, you'll click on the Google Apps right here. Go to Google Drive. The Drive is like a place where you can save all your documents. You can save them and also make them. So you see here I have folders and I have some things I'm working on. So that's your Drive, is everything you have made. To make a new document, you'll click New Doc. Right now it's an untitled document. Make sure you give it a title. So maybe it's our first writing assignment. So you write writing assignment number 1. Write something so that you remember, so you can find it later. Okay. For college writing, we usually use Times New Roman font. It's like the style of writing. And 12 is the size. If you can't see well, you can always zoom in closer, or you can zoom out. You can also use Arial 11. So those are the two most commonly used. For your assignments, you put your name, the class, ESL 105 or NESL 975, your teacher's name, and the date that you're writing it or turning it in. And to go down one line, you want to press return or enter. For college writing, we usually use double space. So you'll click here and then double. You're going to align in the center a title. Maybe you're writing about your primary goal. Give it a title. Press enter or return. And I'm going to go back to left, align. Then you start writing. To start a paragraph, press the tab key. T-A-B, tab. You'll see it on your keyboard on the top left, tab. It indents 1/2 inch to start. Okay, and then you would start writing. You might have several pages of writing and want to include page numbers. To do that, double click on the top. So I click twice, double click, and then you can insert, oops, usually put your last name and then the page. So I'm going to put the page in the header, and we put it on the, we want it to be on the right side. I'm going to make this Times New Roman 12 so it's the same as down here. And then click over here. So this is Mellows 1. And then if I was continuing, page 2 would see Mellows 2. So it kind of gives you the pages automatically. Okay, and this is in the style. It's called MLA, Modern Language Association. If depending on what you decide to study in college, the format might be a little bit different, but this is the one I'm showing you for this class. Okay, and again, we might not follow this exactly, depending on what we write, but this is a good format to follow in general. Okay, so you want your contact information at the left, double click, click, click 2 times up here to insert the page number and put your last name, and we want that on the right. Put a title in the center, and then press the tab key to start your paragraph, to start writing. Make sure your document is doubled space. Okay? So that's with Google Docs. And the nice thing with Google Docs is it saves automatically. So if I close this, and then I go to my drive, I can find the thing I was working on right here, or you can click on Recents. You can also get very organized and make folders. You can make a new folder. Maybe you're taking NESL 975 and then create. And you can save your documents here, okay? Like this one, I would right click and move to and you can move it to that folder, okay, to keep your documents kind of organized. Here it is. There's my folder, and there's my first writing assignment. You can also click share to email it and share it with a person. If you do that, make sure you choose anyone with the link, because if it's restricted, other people can't look at it. So you want anyone with the link can view or maybe comment. If you want people to make changes, you can click editor, but I usually do the first 2. Okay, and then you can copy the link and send it to them or email it to them. For Canvas, you're going to actually upload the assignments in Canvas. Okay, you're not going to email it to me. There's another video actually that explains how to do that in the Getting Help module. If you go to Technology Help, this video here, how to submit an assignment on Canvas, shows you how to do it. The nice thing about Google Docs is you can also download. So you can click File and download it with Microsoft Word or a PDF so that you have a copy on your computer. And you can also upload it on Canvas too, that way. So that's Google Docs. You can also use Microsoft Word. Maybe you have the program on your computer and you would do all the same things with that application. Also, with your Palomar email, you can have Microsoft Word for free. You would go to Palomar College Email. And you can go to Email. Click here to log into your email. Type your Palomar email and your password. And now I'm in my Palomar email. It's good to check your email regularly because you'll get important emails from me and the college. Okay. Here in your email, you also have access to apps. So you can also use Microsoft Word for free, or PowerPoint, or Calendar, or Teams, or OneDrive. OneDrive is where you can save all your documents and make new ones. So I'm going to go to Word. And you can make a new blank document. And you would do all the things I mentioned previously in the video with Google Docs. You'll write your name, the class, and you can change, I'm going to use Times New Roman and 12-point font. Okay, I'm not doing all of it. You saw it previously, but it has all the same formatting features. Okay, like line spacing, we want to do double space. And make sure you give your document a name. Like maybe you're going to call it Writing Assignment 1. And it saves automatically in your OneDrive. So you'll go to Recent, and there's my writing assignment. So it saves automatically. When you're finished, you can share. Make sure you choose anyone with the link, okay? I recommend Can Review or Can View, okay? You can also download the document. You can export, for example, as a You can save as, so you can download a Word document or as a PDF. And you can also submit this directly on Canvas, okay? All right, everyone. If you need any help typing your homework, please let me know, and I'm happy to help. Bye.